Yeah. What is good for? Absolutely.
Hi and good morning everyone. How all of you doing this morning? I'm Paul D. Max. And today we are having let me read it guys. Let me put on my glasses. Today we are having the McDonald's egg BLT bagel. I just came guys from McDonald's in Vermont Top Road to see to check on the latest breakfast menu item that they're having right now. And guess what guys, they're having back for a limited time the Monopoly. The game Monopoly is back again in McDonald's in Canada. So guys, please let me know in your comments below if they're having any Monopoly game in McDonald's back there in the United States. Let me know guys, please. And the prices are fluctuating from $5,000 to $5 million in rewards, points, and also $15,000 in cash. But how can you get it? Let me see. For those who live here in Canada, let me see how you can get those. In order to get in order to participate, you need to buy at least. In case you're having breakfast, you need to have buy at least a medium and large hot coffee beverage, premium roast coffee, cappuccino, and what else? Yeah, and also in case you're doing lunch, you can have at least a Big Mac sandwich and a double Big Mac sandwich. All are only to participate. So let's see if I win. I'm gonna check on this later, guys. See if I win. I'm gonna scratch and see if I will win. Look at this. That's the offer they're having, guys. Yeah. Nice. Humming. Look at this. Woo. I live so near the mall, so I got no problem. By the time it only take me not even 5 minutes to get home. So everything is still very warm. Okay, so let's check on that guy. Let's check on the egg BLT, and also, yeah, I'm having for that also a Danish. The Danish here. Let me open it up. You guys can see the inside. The Danish. Oh, long time I don't eat Danish, guys. So we're gonna eat on that also. Well, let's try the BLT. Wow. Multigrain. I ordered mine multigrain, so this is how it looks like, guys. This is the egg BLT from McDonald's. So it comes with a nice looking egg, with a nice looking fried egg. It comes with a multigrain bagel. Go with tomato, lettuce, and bacon, and a special low salt that we are about to try. So number one, the size look pretty reasonable, pretty nice looking size. Yeah. Let's compare it. Yeah, nice looking sandwich. So let's bite into that guy. Oh my God. My God. My God, the bagel taste like those back in New York. When I used to live in New York, I still remember sometime my uncle back in New York, sometime like during the day, during my day off, sometimes if I have a day off, I will ride with my uncle. He used to have an ambulance, and sometimes he would have to bring patients here and there, for therapy, and then Sometimes we will stop by. There was a little guy. It was with a lunch wagon. I would say one of the best bagels I ever had there in Manhattan. It tastes like one of those. Wow, number one. Oh, the bagel tastes wow. It does back in New York. Wow. The bacon is there, guys. The egg tastes good, super good. Yeah, very well cooked. The bacon, the egg, the bacon. I mean, I can feel everything. I can feel each and everything that is inside this bagel breakfast sandwich. Wow. I think I'm in love with McDonald's. Well, let's taste on this Danish guy. Well, this strawberry Danish, it have like an extra because inside is like a cream. Like those who have eaten like whether you have buy, you ever have buy those donuts that have the cream inside. So this one have two for the price of one. Have the strawberry filling and also have the cream filling. So you get two for the price of one. Wow. Oh my God. McDonald's, you know what? I declare you free from all charges. Tastes wonderfully good. So let's try on this coffee. Oh my God. Oh, looks like the way I like it, man. Perfect. She gave it to me exactly the way I ordered. I said put more milk than coffee, the sugar, everything is properly blended together. So let's check on the price for this, hold everything together, guys. Put on my glasses. And the multigrain egg BLT bagel came up to a ridiculous small price of $4.99. With a strawberry that is Danish, $2.69. And the coffee medium only 28 cents with milk on it. And with the EHT tax 103, it came down to $8.99. Guys, can you tell me that's a good deal? I think it is. That's a good deal, and it made me really good and satisfied. So from the scale from 1 to 5, I'm gonna give McDonald's. You have it, McDonald's. Congratulations. You got my total score. You got 5 points all day. So here, guys, I'm having aromatherapy. I have a little incense. I have a little vanilla candle, to enhance the ambience. Wow. Okay, today is already Thursday. Tomorrow Friday, end of the week. Go back again, come and go. That's how it is. So, guys, thank you for watching. But before that, let me see if I win. Let me scratch that ticket on my coffee. Whoa, not going nowhere. So let's see. Let's see if I win that ticket. If I win, I will stop working. Oh my God, nothing. Oh my goodness, absolutely nothing. What is all it good for? Absolutely nothing. Where you go? Good man, you are. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon in a few days. Have a wonderful weekend. And God bless you all.